Hello kids. Today, we are going to learn the names of amazing wild animals. Let's go. This is a lion. The lion is called the king of the jungle. It has a big mane and a loud roar. Lions live together in groups called prides. This is a tiger. A tiger has beautiful orange fur with black stripes. Tigers are strong, quiet, and excellent hunters. This is an elephant. The elephant is the largest land animal. It has huge ears, a long trunk, and strong tusks. Elephants are very intelligent animals. This is a giraffe. The giraffe is the tallest land animal. It has a very long neck and long legs. Giraffes love eating leaves from tall trees. This is a zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. Each zebra has a unique stripe pattern. They usually live in groups called herds. This is a rhinoceros. The rhinoceros has thick skin and one or two horns. It is a very strong and powerful animal. This is a hippopotamus. Hippos spend lots of time in water. They have huge bodies, short legs, and very wide mouths. This is a leopard. Leopards have beautiful spotted coats. They are strong climbers and can climb trees very well. This is a deer. Deer are graceful animals with long legs. Male deer of many species grow antlers. This is a cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. It has a slim, muscular body built for speed. Wow, kids, what an amazing adventure! Today we learned the names of amazing wild animals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos. See you next time. Bye bye.